Harmonious, we learn about octaves and harmonics. An octave is the distance between two notes of either half or double the pitch frequency. This means that when they are in tune, they ring beautifully together. Octaves can be useful when checking that third fingers are in tune on the violin. For example, third finger on A string should sound the same as open D string. Can you hear that the notes ring beautifully in tune together? If not, try adjusting your fingers so that they sound in tune, like this. Harmonics should be played with the flat part of the finger, like so. They make the same pitch as the third finger of the higher string. For example, the harmonic on D string is the same pitch as third finger on A string, which is a D. Try playing simply harmonious with your duet partner. Ria will play the teacher part and I will play the student part. Well done on completing that song. Now you're up to the next challenge. Keep practicing.